Welcome to your dream home. Nestled on a spacious 2,366 square feet of land, this stunning 3-story semi-detached house offers an impressive 3,550 square feet of beautifully renovated living space. With a 99-year leasehold starting from 1994, this property is ready for you to move in and make it your own. Located on a peaceful, wide road, this home is perfect for families seeking both comfort and convenience. Step inside to discover a huge living room that flows effortlessly into a separate dining area, ideal for entertaining guests. The double-volume ceiling creates an airy and spacious atmosphere. You'll also find a cozy granny room, a dry kitchen perfect for meal prep, and a generously sized wet kitchen that any home chef would love. Plus, there's a maid's room for added convenience. On level 2, you'll find a big family room that's perfect for bonding time. Enjoy the views from the fronting living space and retreat to the ensuite master room at the back, providing privacy and comfort. Level 3 features a junior master suite and 2 additional rooms that share a connecting bathroom. Perfect for kids or guests. Last but not least, unit added with EV charger and newly installed solar panel will help to save money in long-term sustainability and convenience. This house showcasing beautiful and impressive renovations throughout. It's truly a place where memories can be made. Don't miss the opportunity to make this remarkable property as your dream home.